is value stream coaching? So maybe we can talk about what is a value stream, and then we can go through what is a value stream coaching. Now, organizations all start small, organic, small teams that are focused on the customer. They're customer centric. Everybody knows when a new deal comes in, and everybody's working aligned, delivering value to the customer. As organizations grow, we then have our functions. Then we add, sales, marketing, development, testing, the rest of it. The hierarchy comes in, and that function gives us stability and efficiency. But what we lose as a result of that is our responsiveness to the customer. So we lose direct sight of customer. So what value streams are there then is it's not about changing the organization structure. It's about changing our operating structure. We now put an operating structure which is aligned to the customer need. So that's what a value stream is. And we say, okay, this is what happens when the customer interacts with us from the moment they come in, if you like, to the moment that we have fulfilled their needs. And these are the steps we need to go through. And the value stream management is about having a group of people who are responsible for making sure that the value flows through the value stream with no or minimal interruptions, if you like, is uninterrupted flow through the value stream, making sure that we are always, every activity that we're doing is A, necessary, and B, is adding value to the customer. So, and then we keep doing it, and we keep refining that. We keep our goal, if you like, is to keep looking at ways of improving what we deliver in quality and quantity to the customer. So that's what a value stream management is about. How long does it take? What is it? So it is not you do a 2-day class and you're done. Value stream management is ongoing coaching with the value stream managers. Now, typically that would be a 3 months or so engagement. It will start with understanding what the value stream is. If you like, the preparatory work is how have they organized themselves? What is the operating structure of the team of teams that is serving the customer? Typically, organizations haven't actually gone through a formal identification of the value stream and organized themselves that way. They've just got chunks of the hierarchy and they said, okay, now we're going to serve the customer. So that would be the first thing. So, okay, well, we haven't quite got the right, if you like, operating structure to serve our customers. So let's get that right. And that could be the value stream identification workshop that will allow us to understand how we are serving the customer. What is the customer journey? What are the bits that are involved, and how we're serving the customer? Now, if they have done that and the organization structure is fine, it's rightly in place, then an instrument that we could use is the value stream mapping. And what that allows us to do is to see how effective that value stream is. In other words, how effective are we serving the customer? Where are the delays? Where are the friction points? And then acting on those and improving it. And all those are the tools that we provide, if you like, not just those 2 workshops, but also ongoing looking at, okay, if you are running, what is your measurement dashboard? Is that visible to the whole team? Everybody in the team should be able to, at a glance, have a look up and say, well, are we winning or losing? Are we serving our customers better than what we did last week? And if not, what is it that we need to change? So that's what the value stream management is all about, is a set of training, workshop, and on the job, if you like, coaching. And effectively, we hold the mirror to show how effective the flow is and where the flow is interrupted and what to do about it. So the outcomes that the organization can expect is significantly improved flow of value to the customer. So what does that mean? It means that the time to serve the customer should improve somewhere around 50%. We will shorten that time by about 50%. The quality of what we're delivering, in other words, is not just about putting the wrong stuff to the hand of the customer faster, but actually making sure that we understand what the customer needs are better as well. So those are the outcomes that the value stream or management will deliver to the customer.